Okay, this is Eden Center. Look at the tree. Oh, that's beautiful. Virginia Eden Center นะทุกคน Happy Mother Day. Okay, let's go to have some food. ไปหาสอกกินเด้อทุกคนนะEden. Window shopping. All right, let's go. All right, let's go. What we got? No? Okay. The bubble tea right here. And the restaurant. Yeah. Try the food they got, huh? Go take a look what kind of food, right? See what kind of food they have. Oh, wait. อาหารเดี๋ยวทุกคนอาหารเวียดนาม Okay, which one you like? You think? So we order the food.
Sir.
Okay, we order the food บุ้งหัวเวเวียดนาม food พี่น้องเอ้ยมาเดี๋ยวมากินกัน Happy Mother Day, Happy Mother Day, right?
Greetings, happy Mother's Day to all the queens.
Sunday.
Your day is always your day, every day.
Yeah, always my day. But okay, มาเดี๋ยวมากินข้าวปุ้นบุ้งหัวเวน้ำกันพี่น้องกัน
So who got the tofu?
This is yeah for him, tofu for him. Yes, thank you. Wow, salad of meat. Oh my
So
god.
this one right here, like the spicy is on the bottom, and the extra flavor is on top. So just try the soup first before you put anything in your head.
Okay.
Yes, thank you. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, พี่น้องเอ้ยมาเด้อมากินบุ้งโบเวเด้ออาหารเวียดนาม today. Ooh, delicious. มาเซียนมันกันแซ่บหลายแซ่บอยู่อเมริกาก็มีอาหารเวียดกินเด้อพี่น้องเอ้ย Alright, so messy. Get everybody order. Look at people coming. Look like we start the party for them. See that? Step bomb. Step line.
Set line.
Step line. อาหารแซ่บหลายของพี่น้องเลยแซ่บหลายแต่แบบซีดหลายขนาดเลยร้านได้บีบซีด everywhere มีหมูมีซีด Để cho mình còn
khi con tim không còn trên đời khi thấy má em hay em nói em say tiếng đàn lại gần ôm lên đi lại gần ôm lên anh sẽ để em mặt trời lại gần ôm anh em để anh chơi vơi giờ còn đôi ta biết ta nỗi đơn nhẫn
hỏi lời của con chúc mừng năm nay
ngờ người đến
coffee ของเวียดนามบุ๊กแซ่บดีเป็นของอเมริกาลอยเถื่อนพี่น้องเขาจะร้องเพลงสุขสันต์วันอาทิตย์
Để cho mình khi con tim không còn trên đời khi thấy má em hay Em nói em say tiếng đàn này lại gần ôm lấy tim lại gần ôm lấy anh sẽ để em mặt trời lại gần ôm anh em để anh chơi vơi giờ còn đôi ta kia là nỗi đau nhạt
โอเคพวกเราหาซื้ออาหารไปกินเล่นปังม่วงดอง โอ้ look at this this is mango pickle okay mango pickle anything พวกเขียบหมูthis is coffee candy oh look if you want something like this ขนมทองม้วน
I'm just gonna eat those beans,
what bean
the bean cookie from
you don't have it at home I like to have some fun like a very light taste fun how much this called right here $1.99 over there oh my god this is $3 $1.99 at the latte so expensive different price oh this is pho oh okay I see that now coffee and กาแฟของเวียดนามเฟอกาแฟ oh okay how much this one I'm gonna get one how many pack in here yeah okay interest ice milk coffee let me try this one how many pack in here what about this one this is coffee too ground coffee this is another one this is Vietnam กาแฟเสือดากาแฟเสือดา okay I'm gonna try I take two here this is the Tuolian the bean oh okay here come on this way this is what they call jalu the ham you know the ham jalu this is my kind of snack right here my kind of snack อันนี้เป็นบุญเส้น oh okay right here okay they got everything here oh man look at the color song 14 wow it's double price this double price $14 oh my god what is that crazy you know ขึ้นราคา2 ทบเลย$14 before only $7 $6-7 that's it
how much is $2
so Chuck they don't want to tell the price right
how much it is $1.50
this is a bean too wow look at everything double price oh my god that just turn me off you know look sorry
that's another thing
go to the next door we got something better bakery
Cô lấy gì nữa không?
I'll be out here.
Okay. I don't know how yet. So how much this one?อาหารเวียดนามนะพี่น้องเอ้ยมันควร How much this one? 850 okay.
Còn chừng nữa á.
Okay, at Eden Center, got everything I need. We buy a lot of food. That's it. We have a good time. Where we go? The beautiful flower. I love it. Flower. Oh man, I love it. Love it.
Is it real? It's real.
Real. Yes. It's a real thumbnail, my flower. One that banana. Some banana. Couple piece. Or maybe tofu. Tofu be a pound.
No, it's just how it is.
Eat that bread.
That's
$1.50. Oh, okay.
chị bác trong kho phỏng thường